Good morning, guys. Another rubber band powered car. This one's just for fun. Time for one of those silly rubber band powered cars that I do occasionally from random items. We have a sherry bottle, which is empty. So I've 3D printed some brackets for attaching an axle to it. And the other, that way. I'll put some tape around that to tighten it up. I thought that was the easiest way to get it to fit in the gap. I just put a little split in the top. So we can fit that on there. And then at the other end, similar idea for the front end. I'll reuse these axles and toy car wheels. They're a bit smaller than I like to use, but they do work. So, and some cheap rubber bands from Poundland. So we'll stick it together and give it a run. Obviously, if it hits something hard enough, it could break. So we'll be fairly gentle with it. So, under the back axle, make sure it goes over itself. There we go. See if that's got enough power to push the bottle, because the bottle will be quite heavy. That should be enough just for a test run. Okay, works in theory. I'll put the camera down the end and see if we can hit the camera. A little bit right. Well, that worked. Just a bit of fun. Sherry bottle rubber band powered car.